Hey there, business owners. Ever wondered if your cloud setup is truly secure? I'm here with an urgent warning from Impress IT Solutions that you can't afford to ignore. Recently, Google patched a critical vulnerability in their Cloud Run service called ImageRunner. This flaw could have allowed attackers to access your private container images or even worse, inject malicious code into your cloud-based applications. Now, cloud infrastructure is incredibly powerful, but also layered and interconnected. One weak link in permissions could lead to serious privilege escalation. Imagine a chain reaction where one small oversight puts your entire business at risk. So, what exactly happened? Cybersecurity researchers found that certain project-level permissions in Google Cloud Run could let attackers access private container images, deploy malicious Cloud Run revisions, extract secrets or sensitive data, or even initiate reverse shells to attacker-controlled machines. Though Google patched this issue on January 28, 2025, the real danger lies in unreviewed identity and access management (IAM) configurations. This is a common oversight among small and mid-sized companies. The vulnerability stemmed from how permissions were handled in Cloud Run. Even without explicit container registry access, an identity could still deploy a new Cloud Run revision, tricking the service into pulling private images using system-level service agents. This opened the door for attackers to escalate privileges, run hidden commands, or exfiltrate data, all without direct access to the container images. It's a cloud-native vulnerability that traditional security checks often miss. Now let's talk about why this matters for West Houston construction and industrial companies. Many local businesses are adopting cloud-based platforms for app development, scheduling tools, asset tracking, and digital forms. If just one service in your cloud stack is misconfigured, it can compromise the entire infrastructure. You might have the best firewall in place, but if a junior developer has too much access in your cloud console, the door is wide open. So how can Impress IT Solutions protect your cloud infrastructure? They offer IAM reviews to ensure users and services have only the permissions they need, cloud misconfiguration scanning to catch risky settings before attackers do, custom policy creation to protect sensitive services like Cloud Run and Container Registries, security awareness training for your team, continuous monitoring to detect unusual behavior or privilege misuse. Remember, cloud platforms are built on top of other services. If one gets misused, the risk cascades. It's like cloud Jenga, and it's Impress.T.S job to make sure it doesn't topple. Contact Impress IT Solutions today for a cloud infrastructure review and IAM audit. Whether you're deploying your first containerized app or running a full-scale GCP environment, they'll make sure your permissions, access controls, and configurations are airtight. Let's build a secure foundation for the future, together. Thanks for watching.